Universal compatibility. Compatible with the iPhone SE, 2nd Gen, 11, XS, XS Max, XR, X, 8 Plus, 8 7 Plus, 7 6s Plus, 6s, 6 Plus, 6 5 S, 5C, 5, iPad Pro, iPad Air, Air 2, iPad Mini, Mini 2, Mini 4, iPad 4th Gen, iPod Touch 5th Gen, iPod Nano 7th Gen and Beats Pill Plus. New MFi-certified chipset. This iPhone charging cable uses Apple's original C89 smart chip to recognize and connect to your Apple devices immediately. MFi-certified cables provide a safe and stable charging solution for your devices. Incredible charging speed. Wide diameter wires and reduced cord resistance maximize charging speed, supports up to 2.4 amps charging current. Added protection. An additional layer of protection has been added to the Lightning and USB ends to improve durability and reduce fraying. Secure fit. Sturdy unibody connectors resist damage while ensuring a secure fit with every insertion. What you get. Amazon Basics Lightning to USB cable, worry-free lifetime warranty and dedicated Amazon customer service. Top reviews from the United States. Durable and reliable. This charger has lasted me for 2 years of nightly use with no issues. It has not shorted me or had any fraying issues. Over the years, other chargers of various brands have always done so. I recently realized I couldn't remember the last time I had bought a new charger and checked my orders and came to this realization. Very happy with this purchase.